Alright, legendary name. You know what it is? Jeep. In the old 1940, 48 Willys. The Army had the market cornered back then. But today, you and us, you and me, we're the ones who get to benefit from the legendary Jeep name. This one right here is a Jeep Liberty. This is the Renegade Edition. We can zoom in on there. V6 automatic, 4-wheel drive. Good looking tires. As a matter of fact, it's kind of the old Army drab olive color. I mean that in a good way, of course. Let me go inside this baby. There's the door that unlocked. Cruise control, CD player, air, power windows, locks. And the best thing is the mileage. Shut that door. 79,000 actual miles. 2006 model. Give us a call today, www.towellandsons.com. Thank you very much.